Want your mani to stay flawless for 2 to 3 weeks with no lifting, no snagging, and no pop-offs? Follow these simple tips to get the most out of your Kijibae set. Tip number 1. A good prep is the foundation of a long-lasting mani. Push back your cuticles, buff lightly, and wipe with the prep pad to remove oil and dust. If you struggle with lifting, try using Kijibae's In My Prime Nail Primer before application. Apply a thin layer, let it fully dry, and it will create a matte surface that helps your strips adhere better. Tip number 2. Make sure your strip fits edge to edge without overlapping your skin or cuticle. A perfect fit means fewer chances of lifting. Keep unused strips away from UV light while you work so they don't accidentally cure early. Never apply near a sunny window, in a car, or outdoors. Tip number 3. Smooth the strip down firmly, pressing from cuticle to tip. Seal the edges well using a cuticle stick. Tip number 4. Trim any excess strip with clippers or scissors before curing. Make sure the strip doesn't extend past your natural nail. Extra overhang can lead to lifting or pop-offs. Tip number 5. Fully cure the strips under the Kijibae lamp. The lamp runs for 60 seconds and will automatically turn off when complete. Tip number 6. File downward in a single direction for a clean sealed finish. Avoid sawing back and forth. Tip number 7. Apply top coat and cap the tips before curing to lock everything in and boost shine. Avoid prolonged water exposure right after application to let your strips fully set. Wear gloves for chores and treat your nails gently. Follow these tips and you'll enjoy your Kijibae mani for as long as possible. Shop all the designs now at shopkijibae.com.